Meet Hannah, a woman of prayer and promise. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the inspiring story of Hannah, a woman whose deep sorrow turned into joy through prayer and faith. Hannah's story begins in 1 Samuel chapter 1. She was married to Elkanah, but unlike his other wife, Hannah had no children. This caused her great heartache. Every year she went to the temple to worship God. One day, in deep anguish, she prayed with all her heart, silently crying out to the Lord. In bitterness of soul, Hannah wept much and prayed to the Lord. She made a promise, "Lord, if you give me a son, I'll give him back to you to serve all his life." The priest Eli at first thought she was drunk, but when he realized she was praying, he said, "Go in peace, and may God grant your request." And God answered Hannah's prayer. She gave birth to a son and named him Samuel, which means God has heard. "I prayed for this child, and the Lord has granted me what I asked of him." Hannah kept her promise. When Samuel was old enough, she brought him to the temple to serve God, and he became one of Israel's greatest prophets. God was most especially kind to Hannah. She had 3 more sons and 2 daughters. The boy Samuel stayed at the sanctuary and grew up with God. Hannah's story teaches us about the power of prayer, keeping promises to God and trusting Him even when it's hard. So whenever you feel unheard, remember Hannah. Want more Bible stories like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the bell to stay updated. God hears and God answers.